Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December love reading. So kung kayo interesado sa inyong love life, baka maka-resonate kayo rito. But of course, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at ng TikTok. Lahat yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, ito yung sample ng inyong Aries bracelet. Ayan. Okay. Let's begin, Aries. Ano yung parating sa inyong love life ngayong December? Ano yung energies ng inyong love life for Aries? Oh, ito ang energy nyo. This is Aries, Emperor, Divine Masculine. Oh, very ano kayo ngayon, parang individualistic. Yung iba, masaya na kayo na single. Tignan natin. Also have the Four of Swords. You are healing. Oo. Parang nagpapakatatag kayo. Siguro yung mga past situation ninyo, nagkaroon kayo ng breakup, or nag-cut off kayo ng tao sa buhay ninyo. So, pwede namang romantic relationship, pwede rin sa friends, sa family. So, parang kayo ngayon, very independent yung inyong energy. What else? You have the Three of Cups. So, kahit naman na independent yung energy ninyo, you are still open to connections, yung mga bagong friends, ayan. You are going out. So, ngayong December, mas lalabas ka. Pupunta ka sa mga iba't ibang lugar with your friends, or, mas magne-network ka ngayon. Ace of Coins, especially to those na may bagong trabaho, bagong career, or may mga bagong ventures kayong sinisimulan. So, I think for some of you, Aries, you are focusing on some changes, no, sa buhay mo. Kasi tinan mo, meron death card dito. So, there is an ending of a situation. So, pwedeng nasa process ka na niyan na naglalakas loob ka na, to be on your own, na hindi umaasa sa iba. And yung mga bagay or tao sa buhay mo na nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng toxic energies, you are letting them go, or you are cutting them off, and tinatapos mo na yung connections mo sa kanila, and you are ready for a new start, no? Something that is more practical. So, let's see ano pa yung parating sa mga Aries sa kanilang love life. Page of Wands, diba? So, you are trying new things. Oo, yung iba sa inyo lumalabas with new friends or mga bagong mga connections. Yung iba naman, nagta-travel kayo. Pwede magta-travel kayo mag-isa ngayong December. Two of Wands, diba? Charting a course. So, it's like, nakapili ka na. You have decided, no? You have decided to go on your own. May new course. Three of Swords, diba? Meron talagang deep emotional pain for some of you. Alam mo yung tipong willing ka na mag-move on, you are healing, but still you are experiencing the pain or feeling the pain, which is normal para sa may mga pinagdaan ng separation, disappointments. So, I think ngayon, mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung trabaho mo. Lalo na doon sa mga yung napabayaan yung trabaho nila dahil mas inasikaso nila yung relationship nila, or naapektuhan yung productivity nila dahil sa mga pagbabagong nangyari sa relationship. Yeah, Seven of Wands. Very protective yung energy mo ngayong December. Hindi mo hahayaan na merong makasakit pa sa'yo, or makaisa pa sa'yo, or mag-take advantage sa'yo. Very protective yung energies mo. Spiritual growth, yes. You are learning. Marami kang matututunan or natutunan na sa yung experiences. So, I think this is a major transformation for you. Merong spiritual awakening. Yung iba, mas ine-embrace nyo yung inyong sarili, no? Yung katahimikan, yung pagiging soloista. Foreign themes. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro pwede kayo ay nakapag-travel or makakapag-travel ngayong December. Alam mo yung sinasabi ng, I just want to find myself. So you are going to find yourself. Some of you, okay, itong nangyayari sa inyong endings, transformation, new beginning, separation from your past, this is going to lead you to your soulmate, no? Soul's purpose. Wow. So ngayong December, you will also be spending more time with your children kung may mga anak ka na. Or this is you healing your inner child, or mas mag-e-enjoy ka ngayon, no? Mas gusto mong, you just want to have fun ngayong December. Kasi kumbaga yung iba sa inyo, tapos na kayo doon sa kumbaga grief, no? Doon sa kumbaga pagluluksa doon sa mga endings na nangyari sa relationship ninyo, yung mga disappointments, tapos na kayo doon. You are embracing a new chapter ng inyong life ngayong December. Our mission is to be unconditional love. Clearing our programming is necessary part of opening our hearts. Yes. So, meron kayong kini-cleanse sa inyong sarili, lalo na sa pananaw nyo sa buhay, sa relationship, yung dati nyong perspective about relationship is changing. I let myself go deeper into thoughts. Yes. So, I think you will be opening up to someone in the future. But, it doesn't mean naman na porket nasaktan ka hindi ka na magmamahal ulit or i-close mo na, no? Kaya nga, you want to move on, you want to move forward, you want to enjoy your life. Yes. Sabi, I know the universe works in mysterious ways, but sometimes I judge the situation instead of surrendering to it. Yes. So, ito yung pagbabago ng perspective mo sa buhay. You are surrendering whatever na hindi mo kayang kontrolin. Ang kumbaga have fun. You're going to have fun ngayong December, focusing on yourself, healing, and embracing a new beginning. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.